Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create an inventory in Excel, so let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. On the home screen, click New to open the template gallery. In the search bar at the top, type Inventory and press Enter. Excel will show you several ready-made inventory templates like Inventory List or Stock Inventory or Equipment Inventory, and choose the one that best fits your needs and click Create. Once the template opens, you'll see pre-made columns such as item name, category, quantity, in stock, unit price, and total value. You can easily customize these columns by renaming or adding new ones depending on your inventory type. Now start entering your data type in your product names, quantities, and prices. Excel will automatically calculate totals and update values if the template includes formulas. If you want to track stock automatically, you can add a simple formula like =sign C2 multiply D2 to multiply quantity by unit price for total value. You can also apply filters to sort items alphabetically or by stock level using the Sort and Filter option under the Home tab. When your inventory list is complete, click File, then Save As, and choose where to store your file. And that's it. Now you know how to create a professional inventory sheet in Excel using a built-in template quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.